Welcome to the magical world of mathematics, where today we begin the journey of quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is an equation where the highest power of x is 2, expressed as ax plus bx plus c shunye. The solutions of a quadratic equation are called its roots, alpha and beta. The first method, factorization. We split the equation into factors to find the roots. The second method, completing the square. We convert the equation into a perfect square and then solve. And now, the most powerful method in the journey of quadratic equations is revealed. The discriminant, d, decides how many roots there are and what type they are. The graph of every quadratic equation is a parabola, opening upward or downward depending on the value of. The relationships between the roots reveal deeper secrets hidden inside every quadratic equation. The discriminant clearly tells us the nature of the roots. Quadratic equations shape the curves of bridges, sports, technology, and almost everything around us. This was the complete journey of quadratic equations, from simple to advanced, powerful and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.